Alright, another how-to DIY video. This is my 2013 Ford F-150. It's running fine. However, I popped the hood the other day and noticed a massive amount of corrosion on the positive battery terminal. So I'm going to try to clean that up. I've done batteries before and cleaned terminals up, but I've never seen anything this bad. So I read on the interweb that you can use baking soda and water. So we're going to try that, see if it works. If it does, it'll be a win. If it does and you like it, hit the like and subscribe button. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is just hand clean some of this stuff out, because I don't want it to get all this acid to get all over the place in the driveway. So I got this little paint spatula. See if this works. If you're wondering what that noise is, 8mm wrench to take this off, or socket, keep well. There we go. There we go. This big ass piece of shit. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. When all else fails, that worked. Glass. Baking soda. High quality H2O. Oops. Get this excess out again. Something's definitely happening there. Whoa. Forgot I still had that hooked up. Oh yeah. Let's let it do its magic. Number 3. Seems like it's inside this thing right here. Actual clamp. I want that to touch again and spark. Okay, we're gonna go for a 4th shot and then call it. Alright, I just finished up on this. So hit the like and subscribe button if the video helped you out. Final product. Ugh. But I leaned into my license plate as I was working and noticed this. Whoa! So this thing ain't even freaking hooked up.